industry. Get over yourself, they can see right through you. We are the future like no one ever knew you. Get the swag of a coward when you're heart of a nemesis. If you don't let it clear, take a lesson to Genesis. Second, we ain't playing games. Since you took the bars, we'll take the fame. And I can't wait to say whatever. And I can't wait to shed some light on every little thing you broke it. Shaking with fear, desperate for bread, make a pathetic career. Can't get out of debt, six yourself that you die. You can fly up the highway, cowards never beg. Take that. Take that. If you call records like cocaine, you can still have a fucking name. Yeah, I took it too far, and I know the truth. Leave me scared, bitch. And I can't wait to say whatever. And I can't wait to shed some light on every little thing you broke it and get on with my life. And I can't wait to be whoever. And I can't wait to speak my mind on every little thing you broke it and get on with my life.
If they let you into heaven, then I'd rather go to hell. You think you're buying your way to the top with all that bullshit that you sell. God's not naive like the band you deceive. Even the devil was an angel of the positive. And I can't wait to say whatever. And I can't wait to shed some light on every little thing you broke it and get on with my life. And I can't wait to be whoever. And I can't wait to speak your mind on every little thing you broke it and get on with my life. Oh yeah, on with my life.
it became your life. You got up your best friend till the day you were nine. What is a man who lays a hand on his lover? What is a man who can't take a stand for his daughter? Hotel room, permanent price, adrift to living life. Worth no good, you've done it now. You played it to see. Now the storm inside you, it swallows her. And I know life can be so strange, but I know I can make a change. I'ma wipe away the clouds for you. I'm gonna be around for you. I'm gonna paint the town for you. I'm gonna make a promise to give you everything you want and need. But she fucked up now, 'cause she's staring in another mouth you can't feed. Say, but don't show.